Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn your passion for dentistry into a career in Germany? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to explore the key requirements for immigrating to Germany as a dentist. This is Barney with the Visa Library. Remember to like and share this video with your friends and hit the subscribe button. At the end of this video, you will receive a complimentary cheat sheet along with a free consultation for your trip to Germany. Let's see what are the requirements to work as a dentist in Germany. To move to Germany and work as a dentist, you need to meet several important requirements. Here is a simpler explanation of what you need. First things first, valid dental degree or diploma. You must have a dental degree that is recognized in your home country and also accepted by German authorities. Degree validation by the German Dental Association. If your dental degree is from outside Germany, you have to get it recognized by the German Dental Association. This means sending them your degree and other important papers so they can confirm that you're qualified to work as a dentist in Germany. German language skills. It's essential to speak German well. You should start improving your German language skills as you communicate with patients in German. Further studies, internship exams. Depending on where your degree is from, you might have to do additional studies, an internship, or pass exams to be allowed to work as a dentist in Germany. Job offer from a German employer. If you're not from the European Union, EU, you'll need a work permit to work in Germany. You can get this if a German employer offers you a job and applies for the permit for you. License from local dental officials. You also need a license from the dental authorities in the area of Germany where you plan to work. Work permit from German immigration officials. Again, if you're not from the EU, you need a work permit to work in Germany. This requires finding a German employer who will hire you and apply for your permit. What are steps to immigrate to Germany as a dentist? To move to Germany and work as a dentist, you'll need to follow some certain steps. Let's just review them together. Improve your German language skills is the first and the most important one. Since you'll be working with German-speaking patients, it's important to speak German well. You might need to take language tests like the ones that are mentioned here to prove your fluency. Second of all, get your degree recognized. If you got your dental degree outside of Germany, you need to have it recognized in Germany. You should send your educational documents to the Central Office of Foreign Education, which is called ZAB in Germany. And they will check your qualifications to see if you can work as a dentist in Germany. Complete additional requirements. This is number 3. Depending on what the German authorities decide, you might need to do more things like taking extra courses and language tests or an internship. Once you've done all this, you can apply for a license to practice dentistry inside Germany. The next one, register with the dental chamber. After getting your license, you need to register with the dental chamber in the area where you want to work. And the next is finding a job and get a work permit. Look for a job with a German employer again. If you're from the European Union, EU, you don't need a work permit. But if you're not from the EU, you will need a work permit. Your German employer must apply for the permit for you. A very crucial question, how long does it take to start living in Germany as a dentist? The process can take a few years. It's a good idea to check with the German Dental Association in the area you want to work in for specific requirements and details. A very technical question. Why is Germany an attractive destination for dentists? The healthcare system, specifically dental care, is very good in Germany. The standards of living is high and the economy is very strong. You can continue studying and improve your skills. And there are many dental conferences and seminars in Germany held every year. Germany also has a rich history and culture, and you can easily travel around Europe by just being a citizen in Germany. Are dentists in demand in Germany? This is a very good question. Dentists are in great demand in Germany, especially in rural areas. You can work in different places, the private practices and hospitals or research institutions. And if you're interested in teaching or research, there are opportunities in education and the medical industry too. Okay, now let's talk about money, which talks very loud. The salary for dentists in Germany varies depending on many different factors, like your experience, language skills, where you work, and your job duties. On average, dentists earn about 80,000 to 120,000 euros per year. Time is money. How much does it take to move to Germany and begin your career as a dentist there? It takes time to move to Germany and start working as a dentist. If you're settled in Germany, it could take 5 to 7 years, including your degree and residency. If your degree is from another country rather than Germany, the process to get recognized can take 2 to 3 years, plus the time to find a job and get a work permit. To find a job in Germany, you can use job websites, employment agencies, or apply for a job seeker visa to look for work in Germany. Remember, you need to speak German well to work as a dentist in Germany. Okay, let's cut the long story short. Working as a dentist in Germany requires good communication, and also you need to be problem solving, and time management skills also is very important. There are different visa options for dentists, like a work visa, job seeker visa, or a student visa if you want to study there. So if you want to work as a dentist in Germany, you need to be prepared for the process and requirements. It's a good opportunity, but requires planning and effort and hard work and dedication. Just remember that. Thank you everyone for watching. Barney here in the Visa Library Studio. You can just go down in the links, and there are 2 different links, one for cheat sheet that I promised at the beginning of the video, and there is another one for free consultation. Also, you can read the whole article through the link that is written below. So thank you very much. Follow us on all social medias, and you have a nice day. Bye-bye.